Hello everybody, I'm back with another tutorial. Now this is my cut crease ombre winged liner look, so stay tuned in how I did this look. So as usual, I'm going to start off with my Plouise base in the shade 5 as my eye primer, and I'm patting it on with a MAC 242 brush, and then I'm going in with a Peaches and Cream PC10 brush just to buff it out. Now I'm using the Plouise Secret Sinner palette, and I'm going in with the shade Lovestruck first using a Morphe M562 brush, and I'm applying that in my crease and bringing it out slightly. Next, I'm taking the shade Obsession, and I'm using a Zoeva 224 brush, and I'm just blending out the first shade Lovestruck with this color, and I'm following the same shape also. I'm trying to move close to you, not just the praise on the weekend, but each day you already know. Baba God is too wavy, you don't know. So I'm just using the brush that I used for the base just to clean up any harsh lines, and then I'm going to go back in with my first blend, Lovestruck, just for any color loss, which occurs always. Down on my knees, saying, Lord, I won't go, won't let you leave without blessing me. So for the third blend, I'm taking the shade Climax, and I'm just blending that on top of the second blend. So I'm just blending out the edges with this shade, and I'm following the same shape also, and I like to bring my color usually up to my brows. There you go. Sorry, forgot to mention the brush. It's a Zoeva 228. Now I'm using the Plouise base in shade 2, and I'm going to cut my crease. Now I'm using a Zoeva 144 brush to do this, and I'm just cutting the crease in the same shape that I did my shadows. Now I'm using the Makeup Addiction Cosmetics Sinful Eyes palette, and I'm taking the shade Naked Lunch, and I'm just applying this on my cut crease because I want to create a liner effect with this color. Now I absolutely adore these colored bases, and this is the basic Winter Edition range from Plouise, and this is the shade Hint of Mint, and I'm just gonna apply this as a second cut crease so that I can create that liner effect with the Naked Lunch shade. So from the same Sinful Eyes palette, I'm taking the shade Egyptian Queen, which is a beautiful, gorgeous green shimmer color, and I'm just applying this on my lid also. And then I'm going to pack it on with my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just using my Zoeva 144 just for precision. So I'm going back in with the Plouise base shade 2, and I'm using my Morphe M165 brush, and I'm creating a liner with this base because we're going to be putting some shades on top of it. So to create the ombre effect liner, we're going to be using the same 3 shades that we used on our crease, on our lids should I say. So the first shade is Lovestruck, then Obsession, and then Climax, and I'm using the same Morphe M165 brush to do this. Give another man here's this a no-no. Down on my knees saying, Lord, I won't go, won't let you leave without blessing me. Baba God is too wavy, you don't know. I'm just using my MAC 239 brush just to kind of blend these colors together. Now back with my Hint of Mint base, and I'm just applying this on my waterline. I don't know what brush this is, just any kind of brush will do, just like a kind of flat small brush. And I'm going back in with Egyptian Queen from the Sinful Eyes palette, and I'm placing that on top of my waterline also. Now clean it up with your concealer, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Define and Conceal Concealer in the shade C13.5. Using my Eldora lashes in the style M112, and I think I stacked them but I can't remember. Now I'm using my MAC Extended Play Mascara just to go on my lashes. And then next I'm going to go in with my Makeup Addiction Cosmetics Light Reflecting Loose Powder. Try and say that fast 3 times. I bet you can't. And I'm just going to be using that in the inner corner of my eye. And then I am done, finished, finito. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. I love you all. Please like, comment, all that good stuff. Bye. Lately I've been thinking on just how much you love